My dear students, I welcome you all for DVS College of Arts and Science and to Zoology Department. I am Prithvi, lecturer, Department of Zoology, DVS College of Arts and Science. I am here to share the activities and facilities of our department. Main highlight of our department, that is, we will conduct seminars and we will give you assignments. In our department, every student will be assigned with some seminar topic that is compulsory to all. By giving seminars, we will develop the presentation and communicative skills in you, and those seminars will be followed with group discussion. Assignments. We will provide you some assignment topic. By writing assignment, we will make you to learn the writing skills, and later on you can proceed those assignments as your projects. Next important activity in our department, that is project. We in department assign you some research oriented topic as projects. So these project, it is not only for your academic purpose, but we will also make you to learn different skills which includes soft skills, computer skills, presentation skills and communicative skills. Along with all these, we will also make you to learn slide preparation, interpretation of data, graphical analysis and statistical analysis. Project, that is nothing but it is overall personality development, and also we will motivate you towards research and development. In our department, we organizes more than 15 quizzes per every semester. Those quizzes includes syllabus oriented or it is related to the competitive exams. We will also organize chapter wise quizzes in your class. Weekly MCQs will be displayed on the notice board of the department. Main important activity at our department, that is training. So we will give you all type of national entrance exam training with study materials and books. For example, we will give the training for IIT JAM examination. In our last batch, many of our students have cracked IIT JAM examination. Along with all these, we will also provide you details and training for different fellowships, integrated PhD, MSc program, like that. And we also arrange informative talks from different resource person. So here you can see the list of resource person who have visited our department in the last year. Very important activity at our department, that is, we always keep in touch with the alumni, and we also invite them to our department who talks and guides you about study skills, exam preparation, research careers and personality development. So we in department always motivate you towards research. 4 to 5 research papers of students were published in national and state level seminars yearly. We also guide you to write research articles. We will make you to attend conferences and seminars. We also involve you in students' project like VGST. Many of our students have taken prizes and they have competed in national level seminars by presenting their papers. So, by looking all this to enrich this research work, we have made MOU, that means Memorandum of Understanding, with SIMS Shimoga, Subbaiah Institute of Medical Science, and under that we are running 2 certificate courses. So you can make use of it. Other facilities at our department, that is mentor and monitoring system, bridge class, revision or remedial class, question paper solving, surprise test, practical test, compulsory attendance. We organize a field trip. We will help you in participating inter and intra-college competitions. Many of our students have won state and national level prizes, and the department will be open between 9 to 5:30 p.m. If you have any doubt, any clarification, you can come to our department at any time. Personal attention to every student will be given by our department, and your academic progress and all the details of yours will be conveyed to your parents. Along with all these activities, we have some of the important facilities in our department. Department library with more than 150 books, well occupied lab with LCD projector. We usually used it for practical purpose. So we, along with all these, we have done some social responsible activities, that is seed dispersal with the help of forest department, save water, rainwater harvesting. We in department celebrate different occasions: International Tiger Day, World Cancer Day, National Science Day, which includes competitions with attractive prizes. So these are some of our activities at department level. Make sure you will all take use of it. We will help you in all the way. Thank you. All the best.